solve this. So I can say 1 over root 3 bracket m minus 9 over question. I mean, this is a solved problem, and it says if 1 over root 3 bracket 9 minus, bracket m minus 9 over root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 minus 3, find the value of m. Now, this question, I'm going to solve this question in 2 different ways. So just follow suit and see how I'm going to solve this problem. I mean, very easy. You can solve this question in less than a minute. So let me show you how you can easily solve that. So solution. Now, so let's start with this. So I have 1 over root 3 bracket m minus 9 over root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 minus 3. Okay, I can do something here. I can try to open the brackets on the left hand side. All right, so let me do that. So 1 over root 3 multiplied by m will be m over root 3. Okay, yes, that'll be m over root 3 minus 1 over root 3 multiplied by 9 over root 3 will be 9 over, now root 3 times root 3, 1 times 9 is 9, right? So we have 9. Root 3 times root 3, that is root 9, and root 9 is what? 3. Okay, and of course that will be 2 root 3 minus 3. Okay, 2 root 3 minus 3. Now, if you notice something, if you're very, very, smart with these, you can see that 9 over 3 is something as what? 3, right? 9 over 3 is something as 3. So I can compare. So this is the same thing as this. And of course, if this is something as this, automatically this is something as this. They can be equal. So minus 9 over 3 is something as minus 3. Okay? So I can say m over root 3 is equal to this guy. So I can say m over root 3 is equal to 2 root 3. All right, so let's try and cross multiply, and you can see that that is a very easy problem. So let's multiply. So this is over 1, right? So you cross multiply. So I can say my m is equal to 2 root 3 multiplied by root 3. Okay, so that means my m is directly, now root 3 times root 3 is what? Root 9. And root 9 is what? 3. So that I can say that is 2 multiplied by what? 3. I told you guys, this is so easy. So m is equal to what? 6. So that is your answer to that. So m is 6. M is 6. So don't forget what I did. I tried to open the brackets and then I compared later on. When I realized that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and I easily compared, and my answer is out. But I told you that I'm going to use 2 methods to solve this problem. So let's look at another method we can use to solve it. So now, if I didn't want to open the bracket, if I don't want to open the brackets, let me show you what I can do. If I don't want to open the bracket, I can show you another way you can solve this. So I can say 1 over root 3 bracket m minus 9 over root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 minus 3. Okay, now you need to be very, very careful here. Very careful, even though it's still easy. So I'm going to do something here. I'm going to multiply this. So I'm going to cross multiply, but not with this bracket. I'm just going to do this, use this to multiply this. This can multiply everything you have here because it's actually 1 over. So automatically this can multiply everything you have here. Leaving this guy alone, don't touch this. So I'm going to be having m minus 9 over root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 minus 3 multiplied by root 3, okay? Yep. So that's what I just did now. So these two remain the same, right? M minus 9 over root 3. And that'll be equal to, now let's try and open a bracket. 2 root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is what? Root 9, right? And root 9 is what? 3. So 2 times 3. So I'm going to be having 2 multiplied by 3. That is this times this, okay? Then minus 3 multiplied by root 3. That will be 3 root 3. Okay, I'm not sure yet, even though I know that by the time I compare, if I compare, but I'm not sure yet if these two guys are equal. So I can bring out this guy alone, just this guy, 9 over root 3. So let me try and do some small interesting work here. Do you know that 9 over root 3, if you rationalize that, that'll be times root 3 over root 3, okay? So 9 times root 3 is 9 root 3. 9 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 is root 9. And root 9 is what? 3. Okay, I can say 3 here 1. 3 here is what? 3. So that is 3 root 3. So I can say this guy here is same thing as what I have here. So 9 over root 3 is same thing as 3 root 3. Yes, that's what I just did here. So if I compare, this is equal to this guy still. And this guy is still the same thing as this. If you compare. So I can easily say, therefore, my m is 2 multiplied by 3, and my m is equal to what? 6. My m is equal to 6. My m is equal to 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So you can see that the answer is option C. So 2 different ways can solve this problem easily for us. Easily. So you can multiply if you want to. If you don't want to multiply, I mean, you still get the same thing. Just know what you're doing. Just make sure that at least your multiplication is very, very direct and very, very, you are being careful with it. All right. So guys, I think that is the end of the problem. I think we're going to solve more problems. So just watch out for more videos on these, and we can easily dissect more problems on that. All right. So have a nice day, guys. Okay.